Hello, friend. Once again, we will discuss a topic whose name is Bomb Blast in Afghanistan. So, let's start. 3 weeks earlier, two incidents of bomb blast have been reported in Afghanistan. The first incident of bomb blast took place in Ghazni province, whereas second incident took place in Kabul city. In these attacks, 23 people had been killed, including 15 children, and hundreds have got injured. Both of these attacks are perpetrated by the terrorists, according to the government officials of Afghanistan. These types of attacks are not new in Afghanistan, but the main question here is that what is the reason behind the continuous terrorist attacks in Afghanistan? The Taliban was the major power in Afghanistan before the US military's intervention in Afghanistan against the Al Qaeda leader Osama bin Laden. Taliban is a terrorist organization. Osama was the main conspirator behind the 9/11 attack in 2001 on the WTC, means World Trade Center building in USA. Since then, the US military has been present in Afghanistan for anti-terror operations. The power of the Taliban has diminished after the intervention of the military of US in Afghanistan. Taliban is wanting to establish the Islamic Caliphate and to introduce inhuman Sharia law in Afghanistan by overthrowing the democratic government of Afghanistan. The outgoing US President Donald Trump has already announced the complete rollback of the US military from Afghanistan by May 2021 after a deal with Taliban. Taliban has the full support of Pakistan. Pakistan wants to take control of administration of Afghanistan through the Taliban. The main conspirator behind the present terrorist attacks in Afghanistan is Taliban. Islamic State has also gained some strength in Afghanistan, but it is still lagging behind the Taliban in terms of organizational strength. Between January and September of 2020, more than 2,100 civilians were killed and more than 3,800 wounded in the terrorist attacks, according to the UN mission in Afghanistan. The government of Afghanistan has started talks with the Taliban for the restoration of peace in the region. But the Taliban is carrying out terrorist attacks to put pressure on the Afghan government to gain the upper hand in negotiations. But is it right to hold talks with a terrorist organization for the restoration of peace in its own region by a legitimate government? The US government has also surrendered at the feet of Taliban terrorists. Taliban terrorists. But what will happen after the complete withdrawal of US troops from Afghanistan? We have to understand the genuine reason behind the rise of Islamic terrorist organizations throughout the world. All the Islamic terrorist organizations are inspired by the words jihad and kafir of Quran. They want to establish the Islamic Caliphate and to impose the Islamic Sharia law on the world. Is the Afghan government thinking that talks will lead the Taliban towards becoming a scientist organization and they will indulge into the work of research and development in the field of science. At the end of talks, the Taliban will ask for the land of Afghanistan to operate their rule, and the talks cannot change his mentality. In such a case, will the government of Afghanistan hand over the part or full land of Afghanistan to the Taliban so that they can carry out terrorist activities without any objections? Hence, the government of Afghanistan must apply the military option to strictly deal with the terrorist organizations like Taliban. Taliban has also attacked the Indian missions and establishments in Afghanistan. The terrorists present in Afghanistan can also attack India. So, the Indian government should engage with the Afghan government to take part in the military cooperations to eliminate all the terrorist organizations from the land of Afghanistan. Thank you. If you have any comment, you are welcome.